Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best CarPlay screens for 2026. If you want to upgrade your car with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, I've got you covered. We'll go through each product, its features, pros, cons, and give you a clear idea of which one might be the best for your ride. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Portable Apple CarPlay screen, 10-inch. This is a compact and versatile option if you want a plug-and-play CarPlay solution. The 10-inch screen is large enough for clear visibility, and the combination of 4K dashcam and backup camera adds extra safety. The touch response is smooth, and navigation is easy to follow. 10-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam plus 1080p backup camera, mirror link, voice control, music play, GPS navigation. Pros: portable and easy to install. Wireless connection, dual camera setup. Cons: slightly smaller screen than other models. Some users report occasional lag with Android Auto. Great for users who want a portable and all-in-one CarPlay screen. Number 2. Largest 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay screen. If screen size is important to you, this one's impressive. The 11.5-inch display makes it easy to read maps and control apps. The wireless setup is seamless, and the additional features like FM and voice control make it feel like a mini car infotainment system. 11.5-inch HD touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam plus 1080p backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth, FM, voice control, mirror link. Pros: largest screen on the list. Smooth wireless CarPlay connection. Multiple functionalities like FM, Bluetooth, and voice control. Cons: slightly bulkier, so may not fit all dashboards. Higher price point. Perfect for those who want maximum screen real estate and full functionality. Number 3. Wireless Apple CarPlay screen, 9-inch. This 9-inch option is more budget-friendly while still packing essential features. It's portable and lightweight, ideal for smaller cars. The dashcam is crisp and navigation works flawlessly, although the screen is slightly smaller compared to the others. 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam plus 1080p backup camera, GPS navigation, mirror link, voice control, Bluetooth. Pros: affordable and portable. Easy installation. Good dashcam quality. Cons: smaller screen may feel cramped. Limited extra features. Best budget-friendly choice for casual users. Number 4. 10.26-inch portable Apple CarPlay screen. This model balances portability and functionality perfectly. The AirPlay feature is handy for iPhone users, and the 10.26-inch screen is a sweet spot between compactness and visibility. The cameras are high quality, and the wireless setup is smooth. 10.26-inch touchscreen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam plus 1080p backup camera, navigation, AirPlay, mirror link. Pros: great screen size, AirPlay support for Apple users, portable and multifunctional. Cons: lacks some advanced features like FM or AUX. Slightly more expensive than basic models. Ideal for users who want a balanced, feature-rich portable CarPlay screen. Number 5. 11.5-inch largest CarPlay screen for car. This is the ultimate CarPlay screen with all the bells and whistles. The huge display, combined with a wide array of features like Siri integration, AUX, and FM, makes it a top-tier choice. It's perfect for those who want a fully functional, almost factory-installed feel. 11.5-inch HD touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 4K dashcam plus 1080p backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth, mirror link, voice control, AUX, FM, Siri. Pros: massive 11.5-inch display, full suite of features including Siri, FM, and AUX, excellent dashcam quality. Cons: bulky for some cars, highest price on the list. Best choice for premium users who want the largest, most feature-rich CarPlay screen. So, there you have it. The top 5 best CarPlay screens for 2026. If you want portability and simplicity, go with the 10-inch or 9-inch models. If you want the largest screen and all the features, the 11.5-inch models are unbeatable. I'll leave the links in the description so you can check them out. Which one would you pick for your car? Comment below and let me know.